Meet Tom. Tom runs a local business and he's good at his craft. Unfortunately, he struggles with marketing, so it's been tough for Tom to expand his business. Tom thought, I need to market my brand, but I lack the time, and it is expensive. I need help. So Tom set out to find some help, and lo and behold, he found it. Report Factory Live, the workshop. Here's why it was perfect for Tom. Hosts attend for free, he got to learn best practices of reporting from experts, and he got a free marketing partner for life. What? Yeah, here's how it works. You apply to be a host, our team works out the scheduling, our team promotes the event to other locals in your area, the workshop is given at your venue, and you remain a trusted partner and appear in future marketing as a trusted vendor that we recommend. Now Tom's business is thriving. Yeah, baby. Are you a Tom? Come check us out. See you there.